Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. In this video I'll show you how you can easily hard reset all the Samsung phones that comes with a physical home button.
Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the number one channel to your solution.
So first of all you need to power off the device. Once the device is turned off, you have to hold the power button, the home button and the volume up key. So just hold these three keys together. Keep holding. There you can see the recovery mode. Now you can control the recovery mode using the volume up and down keys, and you can select with the power key. So now go to app data if you want to hard reset your phone and select yes. Now you can see formatting data and data wipe complete. Now you just have to reboot the device. After reboot you have to wait for a few minutes. It may take longer than usual. So now just wait for a few minutes. Now you can see the hard reset is successful. Now you just have to set up your phone. And here you can see the setup complete message. This means our device is successfully factory restored. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.